To install Norton Secure VPN and Proxy VPN. This is one of the most famous VPN apps, along with like ExpressVPN and some others. As you can see, it's in the top charts. There is also another. I'm also using VPN Super Unlimited Proxy, but let's try it out. It's sometimes good to check out these apps. They very often have some, nice deals and subscriptions. So here you can see you can try Norton Secure VPN free for 7 days. You can start your free trial. And Norton Secure VPN is a no-log VPN solution that protects your personal information with bank-grade encryption. Stay protected on public Wi-Fi networks, stop ads from following you around, mask your location for added privacy. And then you can just start your trial. So one device is just $30 per year with 7-day free trial. It's pretty good price, to be honest, and it's a good choice. It's a nice VPN. Otherwise, you can just sign in to your Norton account if you already have one. And then if you have a subscription, again, you can just go and sign in from here.